Hey there! Hello to all you creative kids and future animators. How are you all doing today? I'm Zizi, and welcome to my magical studio. Here in my studio, we learn how to take the tiniest ideas and turn them into the biggest, most beautiful stories, and then turn those stories into colorful, moving animations. Remember last time? We picked 3 funny animals and created a whole story with them. It was awesome, right? Okay, today I want to share a super exciting secret with you. A few days ago, when I was out having fun and walking in nature, I passed a farm and my eyes landed on a very, very adorable cow. I immediately thought to myself, wow, this cow is so charming. I absolutely have to create a story for her and turn it into an animation. So I got straight to work. My main character is a lady cow whom I named Fit Mrs. Cow. And you know why? Our Mrs. Cow has been dieting for a long time, she's been exercising, and she's become super fit. Now it's time for a treat. She decides to reward herself with a fun, elaborate picnic. First, she happily goes to the kitchen and prepares lots of delicious, healthy snacks. Then, she puts everything into her colorful picnic basket. She gets into her pretty car and drives right into the heart of nature, onto those green hills next to the bright pond. There, under the gentle sun, she relaxes, eats her food, takes selfies, and enjoys life. When it gets to be evening, with a happy heart full of good memories, she goes back home, puts her basket in the kitchen, and goes to rest. I even named my story, The Picnic Day of Mrs. Cow. Kids, now it's your turn to tell me. What do you think of my story? Have you ever seen something, a pigeon, an old car, a weird treat, and suddenly wished you could turn it into an animation? This is a super fun thing to do. I do it all the time. Kids, telling a story is not hard at all. All you need to do is find a subject or a character, then put it in different situations. Ask yourself, if this character were here, what would they do right now? And just like that, your story begins. Now, tell me, if you had a cute cow like mine, what amazing story would you create for her? And where in the story would you take her? To the mountains? To the moon? Under the ocean? Hurry up, I'm waiting for your brilliant ideas. Okay, my creative and storytelling friends, the story of the picnic day of Mrs. Cow is ready. If you love this story and want to join me in making the animation of this cute cow, all you need to do right now is smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, hit that bell notification. But don't forget, next time I'm waiting for you to come with your exciting stories. Pay close attention to your surroundings. Everywhere is full of cool ideas for animation. A pencil, a shoe, a cloud in the sky. Then they can all be the heroes of your stories. I love you all so much. See you next week and in the next episode of our animation adventures. Goodbye.